Okay, good afternoon. I am Engineer Ronald Tantiado, Academic Supervisor of the Department of Computer Engineering. I'm here to present to you an orientation to the career on computer engineering. So what is computer engineering? So computer engineering, abbreviated as COE or CPE, is a branch of engineering that integrates several fields of computer science and electronic engineering required to develop computer hardware and software. So it is a combination of both hardware and software. So usually computer engineers have training in electronic or electrical engineering, software design, and hardware software integration of this software engineering and electronic engineering. So usually the task of computer engineer is to write software and firmware for embedded microcontrollers. We also design very large scale integration chips, analog sensors, designing mixed signals, signal circuit boards, and designing operating systems. Computer engineers are also suited for robotics or robotic research. So computer engineering have broad application and practices that will include computer hardware engineering, computer software engineering, computer engineering licensing and practice. Specifically, we do on processor design, coding, cryptography, and information protection. The same also with communication and wireless networks. So these are other areas of practice for computer engineering. By the way, the computer engineering in University of San Agustin have specific track to focus, that is embedded system. Okay, why computer engineering? So I can best answer this question by introducing to you the trend in our industry. So we call this industrial revolution. So before, we have the first industrial revolution, where the application of mechanism and introduction of steam and water powered machines are being implemented. So later, this was upgraded with mass production and the creation of assembly lines using electrical power. Now, on the invention of computers, automation of this production became possible. And imagine, for example, the task that will be executed will be performed by, will be performed by the program, executed electronically, and physically it will be executed through robotics automation. Okay, right now we are said to be on industrial revolution 4.0, where, for example, factory become connected, and we call this smart factory, and automation of system are being done remotely. Imagine controlling and monitoring factory online. So we can do this to the use of your mobile phone. Okay, for this industrial revolution, I think computer engineering will be best suited for the future of this industry. Okay, now let's talk about computer engineering in the University of San Agustin. So here, the University of San Agustin, we are implementing outcome-based education in the College of Technology. So we can say that it's not what we teach to the student, rather than it is much more important what the student will learn at the end of the course. So we became student-centered rather than teacher-centered. So that is why we have formulated program objectives for the department. So we have identified these objectives. These are our objectives for the students to achieve 5 years or more from the time of graduation. So we have also our program educational objectives for computer engineering. So these are by the way, these are the program educational objectives. So I will just not enumerate one by one. Aside from the program educational objectives, we have also the program outcomes, which we try to identify what will the students expect after finishing this 4-year course. So these are the short objectives of the department. So basically, we have here from A to N. So these are similar objectives for engineering programs. Okay. So why choose computer engineering at the University of San Agustin? So computer engineering in the University of San Agustin, here we have experienced faculty members. We have one doctor in computer engineering. Then we have 3 masters in engineering and 1 BS in computer engineering. We have also upgraded our laboratory. So we have a newly renovated computer engineering lab and purchased new equipment that would meet the industry demand or requirement. So aside from that, we have also active, the faculty are active members of the Institute of Computer Engineering of the Philippines. So this is the computer engineering professional organization. And 4 of our faculty are recently certified, granted a certification on professional computer engineers. So we have also here an active community involvement. So the department are facilitating robotics training and competition. The students of computer engineering are training senior high school students and facilitating the competition as a result, as an output of this training. So the research agenda of computer engineering is green engineering. So this ends the presentation. If you want to communicate, if you have any question later, the department email is usa-cpa@usa.edu.h. Thank you for this.